Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Telegram video not playing. So let's get started. So if you can't play video on your Telegram application and you want to fix that, so to fix that what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram. After opening up your Telegram, now what you can do is just try to play a video. So here you can see guys, if you can't play this video, what you have to do is you just have to tap on the three dotted icon in the top right corner. And after tapping on the three dotted icon, now you will find the option which is save to gallery. So what you can do is, if you can't play this video, you can just save it to your gallery, and then you can play that video from your gallery, and in that way you can watch your video. So you can use this trick, but if you don't want to, then what you can do is just simply come back and then try to fix that problem. So what you can do is just simply come back and then tap on three bar icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on that, just tap on settings, and inside your settings scroll down and then tap on data and storage. After tapping on data and storage, now you have to tap on data usage, and after tapping on data usage, now you have to clear your cache. So just simply tap on clear cache and then tap on clear cache, and after clearing your cache, now you just have to try if this fixed your problem. So open up your video and then check if that fixed your problem. But if that still does not fix your problem, then what you can do is try to change your internet connection. So what you can do is just scroll down from the top of your screen and then check if it's a problem of your internet connection. So if you have a poor internet connection, you might face this problem. So what you can do is just simply change it to your cellular data, or if you are on your cellular data, try to change it to your Wi-Fi, and after doing that you might fix your problem. And last step, what you can do is just simply try to restart your device. So just tap and hold on your power button and then tap on restart, and after tapping on restart, just restart your device. And after restarting your device, what you can do is open up and check if that fixed your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Telegram video not playing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.